Hey everybody, it's like 3:30 right now and my day just now started. I just picked up my son from the babysitter's place and at 5 o'clock is another meeting to get that skate park built. With each meeting, I know each meeting has been kind of insignificant when it comes to the actual building of the skate park, but with each meeting, with each group meeting, it is that much more closer to having the park finished. But I'm supposed to meet up with Curtis right now. I gotta pick him up and drop him off at the Civic Center. Say hi. Say hi. Hi.
First time riding in the Prius.
Dude, I love this car. This car is probably one of my favorite cars to drive around.
I feel like I'm sick.
Dude, everybody's getting sick, man.
Like, especially in the nose. Yo, what's up? Guys, see any boogers in there? Probably don't. Hey, what's that? Oh.
This is so cool. Listen, it's so quiet, dude. Can you hear that? I want to get the Leaf, but it only has like 80 miles per charge, which sucks. That's why I'm gonna get a Tesla.
Where does she charge this at?
It charges on its own. That's the cool part.
No way it charges on its own.
It charges when you brake. It charges. When you let go and cruise, it charges. See, watch. You see the charge button? It's magic.
So right now you're running
I'm running
charge.
on electric.
So no gas. You're driving for free.
Yeah, very much. All right, so what's gonna go down on the 3, Curtis?
I'm gonna kick flip it and he's gonna heel flip it first try. All right, guys, we're at the spot.
At the spot. Okay, so we're gonna keep this running, but first I gotta put on my crap. Oh my goodness, it's so quiet.
One thing that Julius does, I don't know why, he puts his e-brake on every time he stops.
Well, what if it rolls away?
It's a flat surface. What is rolling? What is it gonna roll on?
I don't know. It's just out of habit, because if you do park on a hill and it goes down, you're freaked. And plus, I usually drive a manual transmission. See, not a lot of people use, these are soccer, what do you call these? Soccer shin guards?
Yeah.
But they work really well for skateboarding.
Yo, so when I was trying to do this kickflip, one of my teachers came by, and he like hates people skateboard. He hates skateboarders, and he's like, "Hey, this is for you," and I hate crap.
What do you say?
He's like, "Ha!" Walked away. He looks like a cowboy. Most of you guys should know him. Cowboy. I can't say his name. Oh yeah, he looks. Oh, if you see him, he's definitely a cowboy.
Does he have the hat?
Oh, no, actually, he ain't no cowboy. He's Indiana Jones.
Oh really?
Oh yeah. Right. Just give him the whip. Just sell him the whip.
Oh, I should sell him the bullwhip, dude. That's a good idea. No, it'd be like when he like walks past by, and we'll be like.
we got it. We gotta play
like,
the song.
Oh, what is that?
We have to play the song though.
I'm surprised you know that. See, this is what sucks, is that you guys take for granted all the little things that you guys do, and then I have to put this retarded brace on because like my knee folds when. Oh gosh, you guys are lucky. You have all your tendons and ligaments intact.
Guys, I tore my ACL.
Well, yeah. Okay, let's go. I got my keys.
This is not edited, man. All right, let's go.
Edited.
Let's go.
First try.
First try, guys. You already know the deal. It's freaking cold. Yeah, I'm a vlogger. I gotta mentally prepare myself.
Wait, are you going?
I'm filming you. I'm gonna film you. You're going first.
I'm going first?
You're going first. Just go for it. First try, dude. First try.
Okay, one more.
All right. Oh, you're gonna go? Okay, okay.
You want me? There you go.
I got you.
Oh my gosh.
Right here, guys, calling it.
These are independents. But anyway, look at this, man. On a mangy heel flip, dude. I should send these back, huh?
Oh yeah, they're lifetime guaranteed. Lifetime
Dude,
warranty, man.
independence. What's going on with you guys today?
Man, like he says, once you go into, you never go back, right? Yeah, I'm
Dude.
getting it right here.
All right, Curtis got it. Oh, you here, dude. Oh my God, dude. That was a clean catch, man. Oh my God, that was saucy.
Man, I almost screwed up, but I mean, we gotta go. I'm gonna take that one.
Yeah, we do gotta go, man. God, dude, good job, man.